What up, everybody? Boo617 here. Welcome back to the channel. So as you see on the description, we're going to be restoring the headlights today on the 370Z Nismo. I'm going to show you how to do it, what tools you need. Let's get to it, baby. So the very first piece of equipment you're going to need is a drill. And then I'm going to show you the kit that I'm using. It's from Maguire. Let me show you that kit. Let me get to the car. So the kit that we're going to be using today is going to be this Maguire headlight restoration kit. I used this 1 to 2 years ago and it cleaned up my headlights very well. Now after 2 years, they're getting yellow again, so we're going to do it again, baby. Not sure if the camera can catch the yellowing, but they're getting yellow. Really? Certain angles though, certain angles. Like right there. So other than the kit and the drill, you're gonna need some of this tape, some painter's tape. Well, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna paint. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna tape the surrounding paint so that we don't buff that. We're only buffing the headlight. All right, so the taping on this side is done. What you want to do, you want to get at least 2 inches away from the headlight onto the paint. So we're going to do this side now. All right, so with both headlights ready to go, nice and prepped. Next step, we got to get all the debris out, anything dirty. So what we're going to do, we're going to wet one of these microfiber cloths, and we're going to clean it out. Now, obviously, if you have a glass cleaner, that's recommended, but I don't have none, so we're using water and a microfiber cloth. All right, so what you're gonna do, I mean, you could literally follow the instructions, step-by-step instructions on what to do. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get our pad here. We're gonna start with the 1000 grit. We're gonna stick it in, stick it on. We're gonna stick it on, and we're gonna start sanding it down. Once this turns, you'll notice it'll be like a silky color. Then we're gonna go to the 3000 grit. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a bowl, or in my case, a paper plate with water. We're gonna lubricate this, make sure it's nice and lubricated. And we're gonna start. You wanna do even strokes until it gets nice and silky. And periodically, you're gonna dip it in some water, make sure it's nice and lubricated, and keep going. Once you see it's fully silky, we're gonna switch to the 3000. So once you see that it's nice and silky, we're gonna switch from the 1000 grit to the 3000. Stick it on, make sure lubricate it, and the same thing. Next step, we're gonna put the yellow pad on the drill. Make sure it's nice and tight in there. Then we're gonna put a nickel-sized dab of the Plast X on there, right? What we're gonna put it all over the headlight first before doing anything. Make sure you cover the whole headlight before you start drilling it down. After you apply it, then you can start. You can start buffing the headlight. You want to make sure you keep moving. You don't want to damage the clear coat on the headlight. Alright, so after you're done with the drilling, get a microfiber cloth, a nice clean one, and take all the residue off before it dries. Make sure you do that. Take everything off before that the Plastic X thing completely dries, so take that all off. For some headlights, you might need to do this step again. So grab your drill again, dab some of the Plastic X and do it again. For mine, one coating was good because, like I said, I did it a couple years ago and she's looking good. All right, so I already took all the residue out. Next step, you get the small bottle. It's called the headlight coating, and you get this is also provided. It's a little sponge, and you're gonna pretty much put a few dabs so that it fills it all up, and you're gonna put it all over your headlight. You're gonna start to see your headlight really nice and clear with this. Make sure you cover the whole headlight. Depending on the shape of your headlight, might be harder, but make sure you cover it all. And that is it. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and clear headlight compared to this one that I haven't touched yet. As you can see. All right, so both sides are now finished. Clear, baby.